Hello guys, welcome back to another speed test comparison, and this time we are doing a speed test between OnePlus 11 with that of latest flagship from OnePlus, which is OnePlus 12. In this speed test, we'll be doing some app opening speed in which we'll load heavy games, boot up test, video rendering test, and at last we'll also perform the benchmark testing. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here on the table towards the left hand side we have OnePlus 11 and towards the right hand side we have OnePlus 12. First of all, let me show you the software information and other hardware specifications. Both of them are running on the stable build of Oxygen OS 14. OnePlus 11 came with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, wherein OnePlus 12 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And here on the table, OnePlus 11 has 16 GB of RAM and OnePlus 12 has 12 GB of RAM. Both of them are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and we have enabled high performance mode on both these phones. And we have disabled all the games from the GameSpace application because this application might kill the background applications, which won't give fair results while checking the RAM management. And guys, before moving ahead, if you guys like our content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. First, let me clear all the recent apps. So you can see we don't have any recent app running in the background. First, we'll start with the boot up test and we'll see which device boots up faster. We'll restart the device at the same time on both these phones. So here OnePlus 12 boots up faster compared to OnePlus 11. There was a hardly of 2-3 seconds difference. Then we also tested out the fingerprint unlock speed on both the phones. Here I did not notice any kind of major difference. While unlocking the device, both the devices performed pretty well and unlock speed was equally fast on OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12. So here you can see on the screen we have some basic applications followed by some social media apps, later some shopping apps, and we also have a file in the internal storage which is of approximate 6 GB. We'll extract that file and we'll see which device performs the task faster. Later we have few light games followed by heavy games, and at last we'll also perform the benchmark testing on both the phones and we'll show you guys the results. So here you can see there are no apps running in the background. Let's start with the first application, which is clock. Slightly faster on OnePlus 12. We'll start the stopwatch and leave it running in the background. Then we have calculator, opens up at the same time. And when we talk about the camera, so I did open up camera on both these phones, and initially I noticed with the first attempt OnePlus 12 opened up the camera faster, but later on there was a slight lag every time whenever I opened the camera application. So here I would say OnePlus 11 OS is well optimized and opens up the camera application faster than OnePlus 12. And also guys, you will be the judges. Let us know in the comment section below, according to you guys, which device performed faster. Then we have Chrome application. Loads up faster on OnePlus 12. And now let's open up our website at the same time. That also loaded up faster on OnePlus 12. We'll open up an article and leave it running in the background. Now Facebook, slightly faster on OnePlus 11. Again, we'll open up our profile and leave it running in the background. Instagram, slightly faster again on OnePlus 11. We'll leave it running in the background. Twitter, slightly faster on OnePlus 12, which took 2 additional seconds to load up on OnePlus 11. Then we have Play Store, almost opened up at the same time, but loading was slightly faster on OnePlus 11. YouTube, faster on OnePlus 11. Amazon, almost at the same time on both these phones. Flipkart, slightly faster on OnePlus 12. Now File Manager, almost opened up at the same time. Let me show you that file. So here you can see this is the file which is of 5.88 GB. Tapping on it and we'll start the extraction process. You can see OnePlus 12 is way faster in extracting the same file compared to OnePlus 11. And huge thanks to 8 Gen 3 processor here. Now we have an video editor application. We'll open up this application at the same time, and now let me show you that particular video which we are going to render. So this is the video which is of 2 minutes 59 seconds, almost 3 minutes. I'll select this video and we'll apply a same filter and let's see which device renders the video faster. So going to filters, we'll use the first filter which is bright, and now let's tap on save. We'll export in 4K at 60 FPS. You can see the video size is now 1742 MB. Is the same size on both these phones. Tapping on save. Here OnePlus 12 renders the video faster, but there is not much difference, hardly a difference of 2 to 3 seconds between OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12. Now let's open up the game, starting off with the basic game which is Subway Surfer. and that loaded up faster on OnePlus 11 compared to OnePlus 12. Temple Run, that's faster on OnePlus 12 compared to OnePlus 11. We'll leave it running in the background. Now we have Battlegrounds Mobile India, and that was also quick on OnePlus 11 compared to OnePlus 12. And the last game we have is Call of Duty now. That was slightly faster on OnePlus 12 compared to OnePlus 11. Now let's leave it running in the background, and now we'll start with the performance test. So we have applications like Geek Benchmark application, Antutu and 3D Benchmark application. And we'll start with Geekbench application and run the benchmark testing. Later we'll show you guys the scores. And here you can see the scores, wherein single core score on OnePlus 11 is 1547, but on OnePlus 12 it's about 2200. And the same thing goes with multi-core. OnePlus 11 scores are 4570, on OnePlus 12 scores are 6566. So there's a huge difference in the benchmark scores also. And now let's start the Antutu benchmark testing, and we'll compare these scores later on. And here you can see the scores. OnePlus 11 have scored 13,87,204. OnePlus 12 scores are 18,89,190. And now at last let's perform the Wildlife Extreme Stress test. We'll start the test at the same time, and it's a test of 20 minutes, guys. Okay, so here tests have been completed. You can see stability scores are higher on OnePlus 11 compared to OnePlus 12. On OnePlus 12, stability scores are 60%, but 11 has 67%. But best loop scores are higher on OnePlus 12. If we scroll down and see the performance monitor, battery drain on OnePlus 11 is around 16%, wherein on OnePlus 12 it's only 11%. Temperature rise on OnePlus 11 is from 29 degrees Celsius to 39 degrees Celsius, which is exactly 10 degrees Celsius rise. Here on OnePlus 12 it's only 5% rise in the temperature. On Oppo 11 FPS was between 11 to 27, but here it's 13 to 33. So when it comes to thermals and heat management, OnePlus 12 seems to be doing better, and also with the battery part. Now let's see the RAM management. We'll open up all the applications again, and we'll see which all applications are still running in the background, which has better RAM management. And guys, remember, OnePlus 11 is 16GB RAM variant and OnePlus 12 is 12GB RAM variant. So let's open up the clock application, which is still running in the background, but you can see the page have been changed. We left it at stopwatch, but it was on the alarm page. Calculator still present in the background. Chrome, it's still running in the background, though it's available in the background of OnePlus 12 also, but the entire page reloads once again. Facebook still present in the memory. Instagram still present. Twitter still present. Okay, so it's present on OnePlus 12 but reloads on OnePlus 11. Play Store present in the memory. YouTube, that's present on OnePlus 11 but reloads on OnePlus 12. Amazon, that reloads on both the phones. Flipkart, that's present in the memory. File Manager, that's still running in the background. InShot, that's still present in the memory of OnePlus 11 but reloads on OnePlus 12. Subway Surfer reloads on both the phones. Temple Run, still present in the memory of OnePlus 11 but reloads on OnePlus 12. Battlegrounds Mobile India, present in the memory of OnePlus 11 but reloads on OnePlus 12. And at last, Call of Duty. So that's present in the memory of both the phones. So guys, when it comes to app opening speed, I did notice OnePlus 11 performed better compared to OnePlus 12. But in benchmark testing, OnePlus 12 performed better, and the RAM management is also better on OnePlus 11. What do you guys have to say about this speed test? Do let us know in the comment section below. And we'll be doing a detailed video in which we'll be comparing OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12 so that you guys can decide whether to upgrade to new OnePlus smartphone or not. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts and turn them to a game.